on our way to the bus to Zakopane. It's like 9:10. It's not too cold, 5 degrees. So we're just going to walk through the city. It's half an hour and then get on the bus to Zakopane. Polly has her snow boots on.
Yeah, but my feet are sliding around. And my feet are starting to hurt, but I don't know if that's just from these shoes or from all the walking we've been doing anyway.
Yeah. We could get the tram. Probably not, but we'll just walk.
Hey guys, so we just went to Starbucks on the way. We're literally here actually. Oh no, we're walking through a shopping centre.
We're walking past the train station to get to the bus station.
And we've gone to every Starbucks we've seen.
Yeah.
I finally found one that has a Krakow mug.
They only had the espresso shot Krakow mugs
and the Poland ones.
Yeah,
and we ran, and they're luckily, but I don't even know which one it is.
It's the one next to the Galleria.
Had they had one, so even though we've got no space in our bags, we done it because otherwise I think we'd regret it if it wasn't there.
Yeah, we're now walking to the bus.
The Radisson Blue in Zakopane. Right, where should we start? Where should we start this time? Yeah, let's start bathroom. Okay. We've not seen this yet either. Toilet. Oh, it's good we didn't bring our hair stuff. Not that we had room for it. Body. Oh, it's all body. And conditioner. Shower. Bath. It's got a rainfall shower. Oh, that's good. Towels. Light up mirror. Ooh, perfect for doing makeup. Well, I brought that much.
Big cupboard.
Because we're only in here for one night. Wardrobe. It's got an ironing board in it. Luggage storage and clothes hangers.
Just that exact same.
Safe. How big's the safe? Oh, it's not small. It's about a similar size. You could probably fit a laptop in there.
Fridge.
Fridge, nothing in the fridge I'm guessing. No. Mugs and your cups and your glasses and your kettle and all your little teas. Not what we drink teas, we only drink hot chocolates out of hot drinks.
Window chair, TV.
Mirror, big me again. TV, window. That's a nice bit actually. Nice bit, like we've got an extra bit of window up here. Cove with a chair. And then there's a bed. Oh, it's a really nice clean room actually, isn't it? It's different to the last one which had a lot more colour.
Yeah.
What's the view?
Walk down into the town.
Yeah, for some food.
Not much of a view, but...
And here's the view. Snowy! We should hope. Oh, what's that, this one? No, just more lodges. Yeah, that's it for the room tour. Oh, Matt's going to check if the other guys came up, and they have. Hey guys, we're in Zakopane. Oh, forget my Dutch in. We're just walking down the high street, probably insert some clips now. And we're looking to get some Pizza. Weather comparison.
Very nice. Cold.
Is it cold? Is it colder than Krakow?
In the sun.
I think Krakow's a bit colder. Or windier.
Sunny.
So gorgeous.
Nom 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 nom. Is it hot?
No, it's not really good. It's just greasy.
Look at the hotel now. Got a drink. Beer.
Like it
Cherry beer. We've got two and a water for £2.50, which is bargain. You've probably seen everything we did in the town, maybe, or
We're not
about to
lunch,
see.
we just ate lunch.
Yeah, we ate lunch, had some pizza, had potato pancake and pork goulash, which was really nice.
We just had one of those potato swizzle things.
Yeah.
And pizza.
Yeah, and we walked to the Zakopane sign in the park as well. So we're just getting ready to go to the spa
I don't
now.
need to film that sign, but if not, I'll drop it in.
Picture.
Now.
Yeah, we're gonna get ready to go to the spa now. We're going to the Terma Bania.
They must have just come down.
No one's going up the top. We're back at the room. Probably a lot of clips of the room. We didn't get anything at the thermal baths, but we went to Terma Bania. There's a ski resort next to it. It was really good.
So nice. So lovely.
I'll let Polly explain.
What am I explaining?
I don't know what was there.
Pools,
Outdoor.
outdoor bars,
We did the
saunas, cold dip, which is freezing, and I could only stay in there for maximum 5 seconds.
so we did the relaxation and sauna package.
But we didn't really go in the sauna side.
The sauna side you have to
Basically, it says about being respectful of people in clothes, but obviously people will be out clothes. But as soon as the boys went in there first, they were like, "You need to take your clothes."
So we just
we
stayed
don't want
in,
to take our clothes.
we stayed
off.
in the relaxation part, but you can have beer, cocktails in the pool, which was very nice. It was just generally a good vibe. So we're going to
And we switched jumpers, by the way.
yeah, we have switched jumpers. We're going to a restaurant in the town now called Steak.
Yeah, just
There's steak. There's
burgers,
lots of steak.
pizza, and the pudding looked nice there.
Yeah, Polly's just doing a bit of makeup. There she is. So yeah, we'll probably video what we have
And
to
then we'll
eat.
get some more clips. So.
Some more clips of the town, yes. But we're having a good time in Zakopane. It's definitely a recommendation.
Yeah, one of my favourite spots. And where you are, I mean, you can't see it from our view, but you can see it from our friends, basically. Just surrounded by mountains.
Yeah, it's really
And they're
nice.
so, like, big and you don't realise it, and we're in the clouds. And, I don't know, just
Yeah.
feel at peace.
It's a must do, but you can do day trips. But we're staying a night so we can get more done. So we'll
I'd
catch
recommend
you.
staying.
Yeah, me too. We'll see you at the Steak restaurant.
Handle. Oh, stop.
Even press. Hello.
That's not good enough.
What?
We're back at the hotel now, so we ate at Steak. Food was really nice. We all had
You ordered something different, isn't it?
yeah, and all had
Burgers, pasta,
deer,
veal.
chicken. I had the chicken, it was really nice. Polly had steak pasta.
spaghetti with Angus tenderloin,
Yeah.
chili oil.
All the
Garlic.
beef was cooked. Well, all the meats were cooked really well there.
Yeah.
And genuinely, the food was really nice. So that was good. Then me and Polly had some ice cream.
Which you probably would have just seen.
Yeah, so we had some ice cream. I had salted caramel.
I think I had like a cheesecake. We couldn't work it out. We asked. It looks like. Yeah, what do you call the ice cream where it's like raspberry ripple, is it?
Yeah.
It's like raspberry ripple, but it wasn't. I think it was like cheesecake flavoured with
Strawberry.
cherry.
raspberry.
I don't know.
Everywhere seemed to shut at 10 as well, so we just came back to the hotel bar and had a few drinks. You'll see us again in the morning when we're going to wake up. I'm going to nip to the supermarket and just get some bits for the day because we're going back to Krakow tomorrow for our last day at 12:20, so we'll be back at Krakow about
2:40.
So we're going to spend the morning in the spa at the
Here, the
the
resort,
Radisson,
because
yeah.
it looks really nice.
and then we'll head back into town to get
Walk to
the
the
bus
bus
back.
stop, and I'm going to get a magnet.
Yeah, so we'll probably go in a few shops tomorrow. So I'll pick you back up tomorrow. Unless you've got anything to add.
No.
No.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Good day.
Morning, welcome to our last and final day here in Zakopane and a little bit of Krakow. And we return back at lunchtime. This morning we're just going to chill in the spa, in the pool,
Which is
sauna.
complimentary, so.
Yeah, it's part of the hotel. Then we're gonna head into town for the last hour of the time in Zakopane and head towards the bus stop. And have a last little look really.
We go to Krakow.
And then head to Krakow, and I think the plan is to go to the Jewish quarter once we get checked in at our
New hotel. Well, same hotel.
same but new hotel, the Hotel while we're Queen. But yeah,
See you later.
catch up in a bit.
Back in Krakow now. We got off the Flixbus about 3 o'clock and then we headed to the shopping centre, the Galleria, and Polly went in Bershka.
And then we were literally walking back now to the hotel, and then we're gonna head out to the Jewish quarter.
Yes.
We back in Universal. We wish. Look at your hat.
Oh, well. I'm
So that's
cool.
so you can hear it. So you can hear. Oh, there's a tram.
I like her.
Yeah. We're just almost at the hotel again. We're staying, I don't know if we mentioned, but we're staying at the same one we did prior to Zakopane, which is the Hotel while we're Queen,
So if we get a new room, we'll give you a room tour.
if it's any different.
Also, we're walking through the park, which almost goes all the way around the old town. It's nice to walk through. There's
Yeah,
lots,
it's really nice. We've
lots
got
of
loads.
statues and stuff to look at.
What are we doing? We're doing about 15 to 20,000 steps every day.
Yeah. It's been very fun.
Yeah. Look at your hat still.
It's
Got like a point.
So we'll see you in the hotel room probably.
When I probably have an outfit change. Bam up a bit more. Looking a bit windswept right now. Yeah.
Bye.
See you in a minute. I'm not sure if we've even filmed the front of the hotel yet, but this is the Wawu Queen. And then just down there you have, if I can zoom in, Museum of Illusions. Automatic doors. Chill area. Just waiting for the lift. Suitcase bag. Oh, we still have all our stuff. So I'm trying to film for some of the lift then. Ooh. Okay, just sort out. Oh. New room tour. Slightly different shape. I'm trying to think what the last shape one was.
Not too dissimilar. The toilet was just in a different door angle.
Yeah. I think just the colouring's different. We've got a conjoining door. A connecting door. I don't know what it's called.
Everything's the same,
But it's locked.
And the view, so we'll just show you the view in the toilet.
Yeah.
Show the view. Show the view. What's that?
Oh, I don't know if... Oh, okay, that's not the
Maybe we
best.
can
We're
see
not at the
everyone.
front this time. So that'll stay shut. And then a bathroom. Still plenty of storage, to be fair.
That's alright.
Yeah, that's nice.
Not
Yeah.
gonna die in here.
Just instead of blue tiles, we've got grey.
Seen worse.
Yeah. I've just got my phone on. And now we're gonna... Oh god, freshen up. And we're heading out about 4:45. And we're gonna head over to Jewish Quarter.
Good morning. Yeah, it's the departure day, so we're going to end the vlog here. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Visit Krakow. It's very nice and a good price, so hope you enjoyed the videos.